Welcome back, folks. Today in this video, I'll reveal step-by-step strategies on how to rank your gig on Fiverr that'll skyrocket your gig's visibility and ultimately become a top-rated seller. With these methods, you can secure a top spot in the search results that your gig will be in front of thousands of potential clients who are actively looking for the services you offer. And that's where the magic happens. Get ready to take your freelancing career to the next level and join the ranks of the Fiverr elite. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's begin and watch till the end. Because every part of this video is essential, I don't want you to miss any point. There are several crucial factors that play a significant role in ranking your gig. It's important to focus on each point with confidence and determination. These factors include gig review count, seller level, gig favorite count, gig images, online status, response rate, and gig SEO. If you have already achieved a level beyond level 1 as a seller, congratulations. You have the opportunity to fine-tune and enhance your gig in a more creative manner, ensuring that you maintain your ranking and stay ahead of your competition on platforms like Fiverr. However, if you are a new seller, it's crucial to understand that apart from gig images and gig SEO, other factors may not have as significant an impact on your success. Therefore, it is vital to focus your efforts on creating amazing gig images, which I regretfully cannot assist you with. Nevertheless, when it comes to gig SEO, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will provide you with the knowledge and tools necessary to optimize your gig's SEO effectively. You will learn how to craft an attention-grabbing gig title, create a keyword-rich gig description, and select appropriate gig tags, all of which can be accomplished effortlessly using a free tool. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it and make your gig stand out from the crowd. First, install the Chrome extension, specially made for Fiverr. That'll change the game. Create a new Chrome profile and navigate to the Chrome web store. Make sure you have updated your Chrome browser. In search bar, type FiverrMate and hit enter. Then click on this result and add this Chrome extension to your browser. Then register to the Chrome extension. Click on the register button. Fill details and create a new account. If you face any issue while registering, contact the support. Then log in to the Chrome extension. Click on the login button in the extension and then authenticate. This will redirect you to the account page. Log into the account if you've not already logged in, and then wait for a few seconds. It'll verify your details and give you access. Search the keyword you want, and you can see the Chrome extension has already given us the power. Let's see how to use these features more effectively to rank your Fiverr gig. Let's create an attention-grabbing Fiverr gig title enriched with hidden SEO keywords. Search your targeted keyword and wait until the Chrome extension loading, and then click on the FiverrMate menu and then the Gig Titles button. It'll download all the gig titles in all gigs into a CSV file so you can focus on titles used by sellers. You need to carefully examine how sellers have prepared their gig titles, including their structure and the keywords most commonly used. Based on your findings, you can then prepare your own gig titles accordingly. Additionally, there is an easy method you can employ. By copying all the gig titles and using a word frequency checker website, you can paste the text and obtain the results. This will allow you to identify the most frequently used keywords in the titles, which you can then utilize to prepare your own gig title. If you get premium membership, this process will be much easier and accurate than you think. FiverrMate Premium will come with an inbuilt most popular keywords checker, hidden low-competition keyword finder, and AI title generator. With this, you can target highly specific keywords that come with low competition, allowing you to secure your gig position. Let's see how to do it with the premium version. You can use the title section to generate the most used keywords in all gig titles. This will show you most used keywords so you can build your own very easily. If you struggle to generate gig titles with the most used keywords, this feature will generate the 5 most appropriate gig titles using those keywords, so you don't have to do anything. This keyword list feature is amazing. It will search all over Fiverr and find all related keywords to your main keyword and also show their competition. You can target hidden keywords with low competition, but has more orders, so your gig will rank higher than you think without using highly competitive keywords. Let's create a perfect user-friendly gig description rich with SEO keywords. Type your target keyword in the search bar and copy all related keywords available. If you come up with more keywords not on the list, you can type and follow up the same process, so copy them into Notepad. Then find suggested keywords that are relevant to your keyword and note down them in Notepad. Next, navigate into the most used tags section and copy 5 to 10 top keywords relevant to your main keyword into the Notepad. Then open 10 top gigs in different tabs and follow the next process for each gig open. I'll teach you to do it for one gig so you can repeat it. Check their gig description carefully and note down all the keywords they used. Make sure to choose the most relevant keywords. You can search key phrases manually and note down their keyword frequency. Now you have a big keyword list got from many places. Remove the duplicates and most similar keywords from the list. Now you have to create your own gig description. First, you should check other sellers' gig description structure, how they arranged their gig description, how they started, how they finished, and what they listed. You have to write a description using most of the keywords you listed in Notepad, but make sure to use them naturally, because gig descriptions are read by users, so make it comfortable to read for users without keyword stuffing. With premium membership, Fiverr Mate comes with a well-structured AI gig description creator and gig hidden keyword revealer. You can use the similar keyword revealer feature as previously done to get low-competition keywords. To reveal what keywords are used in the gig descriptions, you can use the keyword revealer option inside the gig, so you don't have to manually search like before. This feature will find you hidden keywords you don't notice but have a high impact on the algorithm. You can use them in your keyword list. Before using AI Description Creator, you have to select a target gig from the search result. Go to Gig Inspector with the search icon in that gig and click on the Inspired button, and then get comma-separated keywords from your list. Here, I'll use only tags. Then, open Description AI and paste keywords that you previously copied. Then press Generate button. Wait a few seconds. Then you'll see the new gig description generated with all the keywords you entered that are placed naturally in the description, so you can directly use them. You can generate more as you wish. With this Chrome extension, finding gig tags is super easy. What you have to do is type the target keyword in the search bar, then search and wait for a few seconds. Fiverr Mate will get all gig tags used by sellers in each gig and sort based on popularity. What you have to do is select the top 5 tags that are most relevant to your service. So that's it. This is the easiest way of doing Fiverr Gig SEO research properly to rank your Fiverr gig on top of the search results and make it visible to thousands of clients. If you follow up the process correctly, as I taught, you will get good results within few time period. Fiverr ranking won't occur overnight. It'll take time, so your patience is very important. If you have any questions regarding the method I taught and about the Chrome extension, you can comment down below or contact us via the Syntaximos website, so we can help you to solve any issue. If you like the video, please leave a like and share with your friends. If you think you should go with the premium, you can buy a premium membership from the Syntaximos website like this. So let's meet again with some amazing content like this. Until then, have a great day.